What integers are positioned at the center of a number line? Paolo. Very good. In addition, 0 or 0, ordered pair is also known as the origin. Now, what integers are usually found at the left side of a number line? From 0 to -10. Joshua. Excellent. And what integers are usually found at the right side of a number line? From 0 to +10. Novi. That's nice. Now, for your deep understanding about the lesson yesterday, I prepared an activity that we call My X and Y Rewind. I read the direction and listen carefully. This is the direction. Draw a horizontal number line and label the integers, then draw a vertical number line that intersect at the horizontal line at 0. Label the vertical line with positive integers above 0 and negative integers below 0. And answer the following question. There are any questions about the direction? If none, let's start with an activity. May I call a trip student at the front to answer the following question? May I call Alexa, Adrian, and Elaine to go in front and share your answer?